Hey guys, it's Tina from Hangry by Nature. In this video, we partnered with JetKids by Stock to show you guys 5 reasons why the BedBox is an absolute lifesaver on your travels. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all of our smart family travel guides. Make sure you keep watching to find out what the 5 reasons are. Reason number 1. The JetKids BedBox's main function is to allow your kids to relax and ideally even sleep on the plane. You heard right, the BedBox allows your kid to lie down on their own seat and relax or sleep without lying on you, legs sticking up at your face, taking up 2 seats next to you, or you needing to hold them for the duration of the entire flight. It basically makes life easier for you, the parent, and for them. So this is really easy to set up. It even comes with a mini mattress to increase comfort and side cushions to prevent their heads from hitting the armrests. Reason number 2, you can wheel the kids on the JetKids BedBox. If you're running late to your gate on final call and you need to get there pronto, well, JetKids has you covered. Just simply chuck your kids on the BedBox and wheel them away to the gate. The JetKids BedBox by Stock moves on 4 smooth wheels and its strong casing can hold up to 35 kilos. You know, usually they only really recommend 1 kid to sit on the JetKids and be wheeled along, but we managed to. And it worked perfectly well for us. We never missed a flight. Both of our kids absolutely love being wheeled along at the airport on their BedBox. There's a strap for them to hold on to and there's a strap for you to basically tug them along. Reason number 3, kids' luggage storage. There's plenty of space inside the BedBox for your kids to store their toys and other necessities. On one of our most recent shorter domestic trips, we used the BedBox and filled it up with nappies and some of the boys' toys, and then chucked them on top and wheeled them along super quickly from terminal to terminal. It's super easy to use because kids over the age of 2 are generally entitled to 1 piece of carry-on luggage. So it counts as their carry-on luggage, which parents end up towing. Backpack or wheeling, I think I prefer wheeling. This leads on to my next point. Reason number 4, it's carry-on luggage size. The folks over at Stock have literally thought of everything, and the JetKids BedBox is perfectly sized for carry-on. You can stow it away in the overhead luggage compartment super easily, or in some airlines you can even tuck it underneath the seat in front of you. Reason number 5, it's not only used for plane travel. The use of the JetKids BedBox can go much further. It is also a great travel companion for your kids if you're traveling on buses and trains. All of its fantastic uses and features can also be applied for those modes of transport. But that being said, even if you don't use it as a leg rest for your kids, it is a great way to move your kids along quickly. On that note though, you do need to check with your airline if the JetKids BedBox or any type of airplane leg rest is allowed or permitted on your flight. You can take a look at the JetKids website to see all of the approved airlines. I'll put the link in the description below. But so far, on all of our travels with major carriers that we have been on, have had no problems with us using the JetKids BedBox. And those were 5 reasons why you need to get the JetKids BedBox for your next family holiday. Before we knock off, if you haven't done this yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our latest smart travel guides. And like the video if you found it useful. Until then, we'll see you guys in our next video.